Привет, товарищи! Welcome to my Masтерская. Today I got something amazing to show you. Look how ridiculously small this is, and they call this a pocket chainsaw. Let's see if it's the real deal or it's just a whole bunch of crap. Let's check it out.
If you unroll it, as you guys can see, it doesn't come with any handles, but I'm going to improvise. I'm going to use 2 screwdrivers. Alright, let's head over and test it out.
With one of these pocket chainsaws, you can easily cut wood up to 10 to 12 inches in diameter. This survival device is definitely worth its weight in gold, and definitely worth considering if you can't carry a hatchet or an axe. In my book, A+. So what did you guys think? Go ahead and comment down below, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time.